We were interested in solar, but we weren't sure what the payout would be. And so knowing that we had the opportunity to get the funds from the Dairy Scale to Good allowed us to forge ahead with putting the solar fields up. We wanted something to offset these rising electric costs. And so it made sense to look at solar.
If you look at electricity costs, they inextricably go up, especially with the advent of all of the AI data centers and demand for electricity right now. I think this is a great time to invest in something like a renewable energy like solar. Just the sheer amount of electricity that Alliance Dairy uses, anything they can offset, is great for the dairy's bottom line, but also helps that carbon footprint.
Ours is a 1 meg system, and it took less than 10 acres. It's also an app that I can pull up, and it just tells me how much production we're doing either on a daily or monthly basis.
As we move forward, let's say a 20-year lifespan on solar, that'll just keep paying off with little operational concerns or operational costs.
We are the Sunshine State, and so it just made good sense to go that avenue.